Everything up under there painted. Still gotta spray some of the fender wells. Look good so far. So here we go. Here go the motor. Yeah, I'll see the powder coat.
Mook ain't told you now.
I see the details. You see the timing chain piece. Y'all can actually see that I did leave the words the same color, so it can tie everything else in together. And we up next, you feel me? Shouldn't take long. We should end up dropping her in. And then we back in the game. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. And as y'all can tell, I'm in the car. So that means we got some action. I'm back to it. I've been at work for a little minute, but you know what I'm saying? Now we back. And yeah, we're trying to get this stuff done. As y'all know, we had a little hurricane down this way. A little Hurricane Helen knocked out all the power. Pushed a lot of stuff back. So like my powder coat stuff, I supposed to went and picked it up last Friday. But they wasn't open and they was closed for the weekend. So I tried to call the guy. I'm like, hey man, you know, my stuff done. Can I come pick it up? Oh no, we don't got no power. Try to text them like, hey, can y'all open up the shop come Saturday or something so I can get it? They wasn't going for it, but ended up getting the stuff. I had to work Monday all the way to Thursday and stuff like that. So 12 hours. So I wasn't able to maneuver like I wanted to. But my motor man came pick the stuff up, came pick my parts, and ended up taking it back to the house. So in this video, y'all gonna start seeing it. The motor is fully assembled and on the stand right now. So right now I just gotta go to the powder coat place, pick up some of his parts since he picked up some of my parts, and then I'm on my way down there. And we pulling in right now. Pulling back into the powder coat place, pick up these parts, and then once I get back and head down that way, I'll catch up with y'all, because from what I've seen, it looks pretty good. So we finally getting somewhere, man. Finally starting to see shit come together. So y'all stay tuned for a minute. Let me go ahead and pick up these parts, and then we'll be back. All right, so we're back in the car. Like I say, we ran into some complications again. I thought he said that they were supposed to be finished today, but they will be finished today, but they just weren't finished this morning. So like I say, with this car stuff, man, you go through a lot of stuff. That you're dealing with shops, you're dealing with a lot of people trying to get stuff together, and you know it don't go as planned all the time. But you know, you just gotta roll with the punches. But that's something small, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing but a little valve cover that you can put on at the end. But you know, it is what it is. But now we on our way down to the house or whatever to go check out, you know, the updates or whatever on my motor. Not gonna try to make this video too long, stretch it all the way out, but you know, I gotta go see what's up. And I did go get the fuel regulator, Holley fuel regulator for my motor, and that's all I gotta really take down there to him. But you know, since I gotta take that down to him, I could have picked up the parts for his parts and then drove them down there and then check out my motor and make sure, you know, what's going on. Because I think he did tell me that he had to paint some more up under the fender and stuff like that, you know, try to dress it up, make it look nice. But we do got the motor, like I say, fully assembled. And really all you gotta do is, you know, hook the transmission and drop it in there. So I want to try to give y'all that video, because I might missing the video with him dropping the motor in. But I know y'all might be, you know, just ready to see the motor get crunk up and stuff like that. So it is what it is right now. You know, yeah, if the car went so far away from me, I probably could get a lot more content with. It's not too far, but I'm not ripping up and down the road for an hour just to go get a video of something just being that. Because now all of a sudden I want my car back so I can be able to, you know, get the content that I need for y'all guys. Because I can be posting every day, you know what I'm saying? that's the goal. I want to post every day, give y'all some type of footage. Cause these 3-4 days, 5 days is not good for my channel. You know what I'm saying? Well, I got y'all attention. I want to, you know, keep posting. You know what I'm saying? The more times y'all see me, the more times, you know what I'm saying, y'all know what's going on. But last month was a good month for my channel. You know what I'm saying? We gained a lot of new subscribers, so I appreciate all the new subscribers to this channel. Y'all already know, every time I want to post a video, I want to at least have a good video to post so y'all can stay tuned to what's going on. And like I say, the more likes and comments and shares that y'all do makes the channel go up. You know what I'm saying? So the more likes and stuff and things that y'all can do, you know, it give me that motivation to go start another build. You know, I want to try to finish one build at a time, but see, that's where your content kind of slow down, because if this moving slow, I can be on the next build, like, you know what I'm saying, I can work back and forth. I think y'all are pretty much like that, but we got to find the car first. I've been looking since I ended up getting the other car, but I ain't been able to find a certain year, because I don't really care about the color and stuff this time. Like how I went all out on this one. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to paint, I didn't want to do no interior work, so I found that type of car. But like I said, this car, the Cutlass, was expensive, you know, but I got it for a good deal. As y'all know, if y'all don't know, for the new people, I ended up trading my Raptor 700 four-wheeler and put a little bit of money down for the Cutlass. So that deal was great, but it still was a lot of money up front, just because if I would have paid cash, then it would have took me a little minute to get the motor and stuff done. But since it freed it up, I wasn't using the four-wheeler at the time. That saved me a good $6,000-7,000, because you know the four-wheelers, a Raptor 700 gonna run you close to 10 grand, and I didn't really drive it. So right then and there, that saved me a lot. Even swap, I say I probably can get more content out of the car than the four-wheeler. So I think that was a good thing. And as now I see, it is a better, because I still didn't have a truck yet, and that's my next goal, to actually get a truck so I can be able to do stuff like that. So, but man, we working, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all a process. Got to get stuff done. But other than that, we on our way down here. Check out everything. We on our way down here right now to go check out everything. Hopefully everything's good, and then good to go. All right, so we done pulled up. Y'all see the car. Y'all see how high it's sitting up. Everything up under there painted. Still gotta spray some of the fender well. Look good so far. Looking good so far. Now y'all hear all the dogs. Got all the parts and stuff in the car. But looking good so far. Got the headers and everything. Just gotta get hooked up to the motor. I already done put this in the car. Still got everything in the trunk, radiator and all that stuff. But looking good so far. Let's go check out this motor. I think I'm gonna pull out the shop so y'all can actually see it in the sun a lot better. So let me go over here and pull this out right fast. I'll get back to y'all in 1 second. So here we go. Here go the motor. Y'all see the powder coat.
Book ain't told you nothing. Book ain't told you nothing, because Book ain't talking to you. He did try to get one.
Y'all see that color? Try to hit it with the light.
I got 5 of them. He only seen 2. I ain't got shit. I ain't got shit. I ain't got shit.
Let's see, y'all see the color. Still in the shade a little bit because can't push it all the way back. Y'all see it. Just in the sun a little bit. Once I end up doing all the emblems and everything, that color, it'll tie everything together. And then the rims will end up being that same color as that.
When you talking about? When you talking about? When you talking about? When you talking about?
Yep, but I'm gonna end up getting these powder coated that color so it can all tie together. As y'all can almost see it. It's a little bit darker than what it is, but I already knew that. Because if we end up putting the pinstripe, the actual color of that, and then the rims, shit, then you good to go. It's gonna tie in good. Definitely gonna tie in good. You can see, you can actually see that color. Y'all tell me how it looked, what it turned out to be. Still got another wheel that we gotta put on there also. I think it look good. I think it look real good.
Didn't I tell you that shit?
Show y'all the detail. Timing chain cover.
Bro, if you get fucked up, that's what I'm talking about.
Y'all see the details. You see the timing chain piece. Y'all can actually see that I did leave the words the same color, so it can tie everything else in together once we get the belts and everything. I think the color look damn good, because if you look at the color, look at the car, and then plus the hood gonna be down, so it's gonna make it a little bit darker or lighter, however you want to say it. I think it's gonna look good. Y'all comment down below and let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna tie all this stuff together anyway. That's the reason why I went that color. Just think about the rims and everything the same color with that gold in it. But it's gonna look good once it's in there. I think it looked damn good. We still got another wheel that we gotta put on there too. So it'll look good. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think. We almost there. Still gotta put the throttle body on there also. And then they got a little gold piece in it, so it'll tie everything together. They're almost ready though. Gotta get to it. Clean all this stuff out, put the motor mounts and everything. Put that radiator in there. That's the radiator little cover that's gonna be over top of it. So I think it's gonna look good. What y'all think? Comment down below. Alright, so here got a throttle body. Just mount it on also. Alright, so here the throttle body. Just be hooked on to the front of that. This kind of silvers off a little bit. But I don't think you probably could powder coat it, but we ain't doing all that. Looks good to me so far. Well, like I told y'all, there we have it. Just gotta get everything put together, situated, then we good to go. All my other pieces gotta get put together. Basically, we gotta order, we gotta order the drive shaft, new cross member, got all this stuff painted black. Gotta redo it just a little bit, touch it up, and then we good to go, man. But like I said, told y'all we getting stuff done, we getting stuff together. As y'all see, motor look good, everything, and we about to be ready to run. You know what I'm saying? We put a new transmission in another car, and we up next. You feel me? Shouldn't take long. We should end up dropping her in, and then we back in the game. We are back in the game. Y'all see how that radiator piece gonna sit in there? And then you gonna have the radiator piece right there. Then you gonna have the goddamn the motor that's gonna actually sit in there too. So it's gonna look good. But y'all see, like, if it's dark, it make it look darker, but it looks pretty good. Just gotta get it all together. Alright, so we on our way to the house. Y'all actually see the process, the progress of how far we done got with the motor. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all like the color. And like I also said, everything's gonna tie in once I end up putting the rims on and powder coating some of the parts and changing the pinstripe on the side of the car. So, but y'all just let me know what y'all think so far of the build and what y'all think type of horsepower we're gonna be making with that type of motor. So appreciate y'all watching, man. I'll catch y'all next video, and y'all already know that next video we gonna have some pressure because the motor is going in. I already talked to him. He already told me that the motor's finna get put in tonight or tomorrow. So we will have that video coming up shortly. And after that, test and tune, fill up, and get on back to the crib. So y'all stay tuned for that video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Alright, appreciate y'all watching. Yes, sir.